Okay, so this is another project that I am working on. Again, I bought these at my store when it closed. I think they were almost $3 before the discount at 90%. I bought 9 of them. They're going to be another form of a centerpiece. I'm excited. I'm not sure exactly which direction I'm going to go. I'm going to play it by ear, see how that turns out. It's going to be fun. Just keep up with me and we'll see where I'm going with all this craziness. Okay, so I turned this style centerpiece that I bought with, I used this chain, the rhinestone chain. If you could see that, it's silver, has some little rhinestones. It's very fine, it's very dainty looking. It's actually a jewelry. It's used for jewelry. But anyway, I wrapped it with E6000 around this part of my vase. Then I have this Bling decal that I cut in strips. And it's got plastic over it. It's actually at that move. See how shiny that really is? There we go. It's got adhesive on the back that is really, really, really strong, really shiny. This is actually used for car decals and so forth, but it's very good for what I wanted to use it for. Actually, I cut it in strips. I used 2 lines of it. And it was a perfect amount that I needed to go around the lip of the vase. Then I got these mirrored mosaic tiles, and I got them in like 3 strips. They're really shiny. They're real glass mirrors, really reflective. And I put those four rolls of this around the vase. This is what it looks like. Is that not pretty? So shiny. I'm going to put it on a different display. I'm also going to get flowers and put those in there because I have an idea how I want to do that too. But for now, unless I add to it, this is where it stands. Okay, so I went and I added another row of bling around the edges of these vases. I think they came out better with that. I think it needed that to give it an extra additional pop. The next step is to add the flowers. I think they're beautiful. I like them. Okay, so there it is, my finished DIY, the silver votive. Actually, I made them a votive. I put a tea light. It's in there upside down so it can reflect from the bottom down, but it really looks cute. I think it turned out well. This is another centerpiece that I did. I've got the calla lilies, the roses, and the hydrangea all in white with some pearl accents. But I think that votive turned out really nice. You can use it just as a candle votive, or it can be a vase that you drop the bouquets down into on the tables. I think this is a great idea, so tell me what you think. In case you're wondering where I store all these projects after I get through, I've got this great product from Amazon. It's these, they're zippered, they're red, of course. They have the label so that I can write on there what I'm putting in these. And I got these dividers that are from Amazon as well. So I separate those, and then I have these nice little spongy wraps. Again, I got them off of Amazon. So everything is put in this suitcase, sealed, protected, stored away until I use them. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, click the button below. And if you are, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.